Today we'll talk about how can you find music lists on your VCAP. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do to find it on your VCAP, so you just go down, click here on hop down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click on music here. When you click on music, it's going to take you to this list. So then here can you find all music here? Can you play it in this list here? So can you find music? So that's all you have to do to find it here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us in here because so before I forget, here can you find categories here if you want to find your music or books and shows here, so or explore. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.